A more conclusive or stricter test of liquidity is known as acid test ratio. It excludes inventory and prepaid expenses, which are the least liquid current assets. Acid test ratio is also called quick ratio because out of the current assets, it considers only cash and those which may be quickly converted into cash, namely short-term investments and net receivables. Net receivables, meaning the receivables after deducting the allowances. As of the end of 2022, these are the quick assets of Elizabeth Tailoring Materials Store with total current liabilities of 1,330,000. Using those figures, its acid test ratio is 2.13, which indicates that its current liabilities could be paid with its available quick assets a little more than 2 times as much. Stating it in other words, for every 1 peso current liability, the entity has 2 pesos and 13 centavos quick asset with which to pay. The firm therefore is liquid or can well afford to pay its short-term liabilities.